Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. If you're searching for the best compact air fryer that makes healthy cooking simple, fast, and delicious, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring a smart, efficient appliance that fits perfectly into any kitchen. Let's get started. The Chefman Compact Air Fryer is designed to bring healthier meals to your table without sacrificing taste. Its compact design and smart cooking technology make it perfect for quick breakfasts, lunches, or dinners. Whether you want crispy fries, roasted veggies, or tender chicken, this air fryer delivers satisfying results with minimal oil. One of the standout features is the capacitive touchscreen. It allows you to easily adjust temperature and cooking time up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This control ensures your food cooks evenly and exactly how you like it. Plus, it prepares meals up to 3 times faster than a traditional oven, saving valuable time in busy kitchens. The Chefman Compact Air Fryer also promotes healthier eating. With little to no oil, it still produces that crispy, golden texture everyone loves. Its square-shaped basket maximizes the 2-quart capacity, giving you enough food for 1 or 2 servings while taking up minimal countertop space. It's perfect for apartments or small kitchens where space is tight. Another thoughtful feature is the shake notification. During cooking, the fryer alerts you to shake the basket, ensuring even crispiness and perfectly cooked food every time. Once your meal is done, the non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless and stress-free. Safety and convenience are built in as well. Automatic shutoff technology powers down the fryer when the basket is removed or cooking is complete, giving you peace of mind while you multitask in the kitchen. The sleek, modern design blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor, whether left on the countertop or stored away in a cabinet. In everyday use, the Chefman Compact Air Fryer shines. Busy parents can cook quick, healthy meals for their kids. Singles or couples can enjoy freshly fried dishes without waste. And anyone wanting a healthier lifestyle can still enjoy their favorite crispy foods. It's a versatile, practical tool that adapts to your daily routine. This air fryer is ideal for anyone looking to save space, reduce oil in cooking, and still enjoy tasty meals. Students, small families, apartment dwellers, and health-conscious cooks will all find it a valuable addition to their kitchen. Its compact size, smart features, and reliable performance make it a must-have appliance. Don't miss out on healthier, faster cooking. Check the price link in the description to see how the Chefman Compact Air Fryer can upgrade your kitchen. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more amazing tech and kitchen insights. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.